Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. Coming down the runway is the FMS Ranger 1800 millimeter Cessna 150. That's what it's modeled after, and that's what I'm going to say it is. So she has shock absorbing landing gear, especially that front gear. That's actually functional shock absorbing landing gear. She does have navigation lights with the green on the from facing the plane, green on the left and red on the right, like I say, facing the plane, and the white landing light right below the cowl of the prop there. So she's got flaps, and takeoff flaps, regular flaps. We got right, we got left, we got up, we got down, we got right, we got left. I'm running already done my range test. I'm running an AR 620 antennaless receiver in her. It seems to be a little, I don't want to say tail heavy. Now, hold on folks, let me work out my trim a little bit here. Poor birds don't know what to do. All right. Landing flaps. You know what? Let's get go around. She's an 1800 millimeter plane, so makes her nice and easy to see. Landing flaps, flaps up. She loves her rudder, that's for sure. Motor's off right now. She's just kind of gliding along. See if I can't land her now. Try to do a coordinated turn here. Landing flaps. Well, hold on. Coming in too hot. Yeah, I think my CG might be off, folks. I thought I seemed like I had to put the battery back. I checked the CG and she still seemed kind of tail heavy, so at least she seemed that way. All right, I think we'll just fly her this way. Just so you know, I'm running a Spectrum 4000 Smart pack. And there we go. Yeah, that worked out well. Well, maybe it's just me. I haven't flown this plane in quite a while. Landing flaps. See, I'm overcautious when I come in from this direction. I go up high. I've lost 3 planes to those power lines, so I'm just overcautious to landing in that direction. A little bit of a knife edge here. See how long I can hold it. Landing flaps. But like I've said many times in my videos, if you haven't flown a plane in a while, and I have not flown this plane in quite a while, all you really want to do is just practice your takeoffs and landings, takeoffs and landing.
Flaps up.
And that's really all you want to do. Yeah. And I don't think she's quite considered giant scale by RC specifications. No flaps this time. Now she come in too hot. Well, anyways, though, she's not considered giant scale, but she definitely is large scale. That is for certain. Definitely large scale. Definitely large scale. Decided I didn't want to land. Pilot's prerogative, right? Just walk her around. The only reason I wouldn't consider her a trainer is only because of the size. She might be just a little too intimidating to a new pilot. So for that reason, I wouldn't consider a trainer. But if you're okay with the size, and she does need a decent sized 4-cell. I don't run anything smaller than a 3600 4-cylinder. In fact, that's what I run most of the time. Today I'm running a 4000 Spectrum Smart Pack because they are much lighter than your average pack. And so for that reason, and the HRB 3600 that I normally run is heavier. And but anyways, you still get a good solid, plenty of flight time. Plenty of flight time. All right, no flaps this time. Maybe I can, oh yeah. She'll be a little hot, but that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. She has a little bit higher of a stance, so not worried about the grass so much. And once again, I didn't take it out of range test. So I have no idea how long I've been flying. I figure 5 minutes. We got enough from juice for one more. All right. Nice scale takeoff there, but not exactly a scale turn.
Takeoff flaps.
This time we'll land with just takeoff flaps this time. Give her a little bit of resistance, a little bit of brake. Now, if I was landing this plane into the wind, I definitely wouldn't even use flaps at all. I'm only using flaps today because there just is no wind. There's just no wind.
Landing flaps.
There's just no wind at all. Okay. Yeah. So I've got really nothing to slow her down. Well, there you go, folks. That is the...
Remaining 5 minutes.
No, not 5 minutes, because I never started my timer. All right, well, there you go, folks. That is the FMS Ranger 1800 millimeter. And I checked, if you notice, the landing gear rakes forward. I thought that looked stupid, but that is how it goes. And so, you know, that's the way it is. Let's motor off. Let's check the battery. That was approximately a 5-minute flight. I got my battery checker. Yes, I brought my battery checker out on the runway. And let's see. I'm thinking I should move this battery just a little bit closer to the nose. Well, come on now. Bear with me, folks. Oh. Oh, 59% left. I could have flown for that 2 or 3 minutes. So, all right, folks. Well, there you go. Just to show you my setup, in here. I have the 4000 4S right there, running the AR620 antennaless receiver. Everything's labeled back there as far as your lights. And I probably could stood to bring this battery forward just a touch. She seemed a little bit tail-headed for me. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And like I say, obviously she's a top loader. Thank you so much for watching, folks. God bless y'all. Bye-bye.